Do you enjoy birds or are into birding or bird watching? Are you a fan of nature's most amazing events? If so, then you'll want to join us as we participate in one of nature's most spectacular migrations. This is Becca from Photography and Celebrating Life magazine. Welcome to our channel. Freezout Lake in the heart of Big Sky Country is just a temporary staging area for the great snow geese migration, where as many as 300,000 snow geese and 10,000 tundra swans gather and rest up before flying further north. They will only be at Freezout Lake for a short time, recuperating from their nearly 1,000-mile journey from California and the Gulf of Mexico before they head further north to Alberta and central Saskatchewan, Canada. In Canada, they will join hundreds of thousands of other snow geese from Texas and other Gulf Coast states, and then in a series of shorter flights, these geese will then make their way to nesting grounds on the wind-swept extreme northwest Arctic coast of Canada.